Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya, and today's video is all about giving you that push to ace your preparation for Accenture. Yes, so if you are aiming to land a job at Accenture, this is the video or this is the motivation you need. In this video, we are going to deep dive into Accenture's salary structure, breaking down everything that you need to know from salary to bonuses and perks. Understanding this will not only motivate you but also help you to set clear goals to achieve success. So, if you are serious about securing your future with Accenture, stick around. We will unpack the details that make differences in your preparation. Let's start this video. We'll check firstly about associate software engineer role, what is all about: location: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon, Kolkata, Indore, Jaipur, and Coimbatore. It would be like when you got shortlisted in an Accenture recruitment drive, they ask you the preference, but they will give you their choices. Okay, so you can expect Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Gurgaon, Indore, anywhere. Okay, if there are vacancy in any of the states, they will send you there. Now the salary, we know that, and also in pre-placement talk they will quote 4,50,000 LPA as your full-time salary, and it will be divided by 37. It will give you 37,500, is it, if you divide it by 12? Have you done this? But there is a lot deduction that you will see as we are going forward in this video. Now, firstly, you will not get 37,500 in your in hand. Okay, now ASC annually fixed compensation is 3,83,000. Okay, now where is rest over amount gone? Yeah, local variable bonus will be performance based, would be 32,500. See, local variable bonus it is that will be given to you. Now, joining bonus is 25,000. Now, additionally, benefits would be 6,400 plus 11,000 would your additionally benefits in joining the company. Yeah. Now, combining all this will give you total of 4,58,300. Okay. Now, ASE earnings that you will earn from there. Basic would be 15,000. HRA, home resource allowance, is 7,500, and ad hoc allowances is 4,283, and miscellaneous allowance is 3,333. Gross earning is 30,116 that you can expect on 31st or 1st of any month. Where is the less over amount or deduction happened? Yeah, PF. PF has a major role in your salary. It is around 18,000 would be deducted. Professional tax would be 200. Gross deductions would be 2,000. In-hand salary would be 28,116. So this is the actual salary that you can expect on every end of the month or first day of a new month. 28,116. What was your initial salary? Initial salary was 4.5 LPA, and what you are getting in the last is 28,116. So yeah, this is your in-hand salary. Now, perks and conditions that you basically have in joining Accenture as your full-time job. Have to return the joining bonus if you leave before 1 year. So this is a criteria that Accenture sets for each and every fresher from campus or off campus. They have recently joined to the Accenture. Yeah. So if you are leaving in 1 year, you need to return 25k joining bonus that you have received in your very first salary would be given back to Accenture. Yeah. TFA bonus. Clear TFA exam with 60% and get 10,000 bonus. So TFA is a runtime exam. When you join the Accenture, you will have a TFA. I guess this TFA exam after your training, and if you crack the training above 60%, then you can expect 10,000 as a bonus which will be added in your salary. So salary was 28,116 and 10,000 would be the bonus if you cracked this TFE exam with more than 60% marks. So your salary becomes 38,116, which will be your actual salary, but it is only one time. It is not that the salary is incremented with 10,000. Okay, so 38,116 would be the very first salary if you have cracked the training program that they have provided. And good thing about this company is no bond, no bond. So yes, why I am focusing on no bond? Because if company has a bond of 2 to 3 years, then it would be a very hard task to switch. Because even if you are breaking the bond, you need to pay a hefty amount to the company, or maybe the prosecution will start. But no one wants hustle in their life with company, so they usually stay as per the bond. But 2 year bond, 1 year bond is worst, because in here there is no bond. So what if you have cracked another opportunity, then I guess it would be definitely greater than the current package. The current package is 4.45. So if you cracked 7 or 8 LPA job next, or 10 LPA job, so 25,000 is not a big deal to pay back to the company, is it, without stacking of getting scam by the company by giving more money to them of breaking bond. Yeah. So now all these things that I have told you, the perks and conditions, without wasting time, welcome kit. So pen, notebook, water bottle would be given to you as a welcome kit for ASE engineer. Okay, you might be thinking laptop. So laptop will also be given to you after your training. After your training, laptop would be issued to you, or for some of the roles, because when you get inside, it is not mandatory that you will get a software engineer job. It maybe you will get a text engineer, support engineer. So you need to bring your own laptop. But it may change that if you join this company, you will receive a laptop with you in which you can perform your day-to-day task. But as for the internet, whatever I have got is this pen, notebook, water bottle. Okay. Now, preparation resources would be 15 days of essential roadmap is already uploaded, guys. Whatever thing that you need to crack, or what all things required to crack this essential opportunity on campus, is listed here. You just need to focus on the content that is providing in this resources, because as you can see here, resources. So frequently asked resources, Infosys coding, must know 2025 solution, everything Infosys is there. Accenture whole playlist is created. So if you head over to this particular video, you will get to know all the resources that is actually required to crack this particular opportunity. One-to-one interview session, because what many of the people don't know their weakness. They think that they know everything. They think that they know how to represent your skill, but you are lagging, my dear, because it is not at all about whatever you know. It's all about how you are explaining in the interview, because in the interview you will be nervous, you will not able to face the interview, and there's interview fear of many of the people has interview fear, is it, so not able to grasp the surrounding in the interview. So it is better to have the actual interview experience prior to your actual interview, so that you won't be nervous and you can produce more in your actual or real interview with the panel. So in this interview session, you can just check ace your interview definitely, because we have at least 99% of success rate. Whoever took our session, I guarantee that no one get rejected. Okay, so yeah, expert feedback. Expert feedback will be given to you. Me and one of the teammate is also joining the session as an HR, so that you will get an actual interview scenario. Okay, real world simulation. All the questions, real world examples would be asked to you. If you are not able to explain those questions, I will let you know how you can explain in a productive manner. Okay, and how you can hook the interviewer interest when you are speaking about any answers. Boost your confidence, which is the great or foremost point that I should highlight, is because think if you get to know about your weaknesses, okay, and how you can overcome it, and you know your resume is fantastic, because I have did your resume review. So yes, all the thing is marked in your list, and bingo, you just need to sign your offer letter. Okay, because no need to waste this opportunity if you have got. Yeah. So now www.timecoding.in is a website that where you need to head on and check all the plans and list it. Many of the people are trusting us. So why, what are you waiting for? Just head over to our website, join it, and mind my words, you will ace the Accenture interview. So I've talked about resources as well. Thank you for watching this video. I will highly appreciate that if you subscribe our channel to stay connected for the future content, because any of the companies coming, I will release a sheet, I will release a notification, everything. It would be on campus, it would be off campus. Okay, and share with your friends. Instead of sharing the reels, share these types of videos so that they will do something in their career and make their career bright. We'll meet you with a new video soon.